Your Dropmagic store is finished and now you want to publish it on Shopify. You can start by clicking on the publish button just here, then connect your store. Once you have done that, you can select to either use a new Shopify account or an existing one. This is my case, so I will click here. Then I will copy the link of my store just here, then paste it here. Click on install. It will load a new page on Shopify and I will have the possibility to install an app that will allow us, Dropmagic, to publish your store on your Shopify. So I will click on install and then it will bring me back to my Dropmagic store. I can click on publish again. Now I can select if I want to publish all the page, only this one, only the home page, only the reviews page, or the page that you want. And once you have selected the right one, you can just click on publish. So the first time it can take maybe between 3 to 5 minutes. And for the second time and the next time, it will take between 30 seconds to 1 minute maximum. Okay, so as you can see, everything has been published. And now if I come back on my Shopify store and go on online store, I reload the page. Okay, perfect. So I will click on update. So as you can see, and the store has been already published. So I can also go on the product page. I will find my product just here. And I have the same aspects that's on my Dropmagic store.